Hello students, today we will discuss the add-ons which are used in the formatting. With all the new data in your spreadsheet, there are the chances that they look bit messy. These tools will help you get rid of blank rows and columns and find and replace text better than Sheets default tools and turn your sheets into beautiful tables. Firstly, we will discuss the add-on that is the power tool. This power tool is to format and clean up your spreadsheets. What does this power tool do? Okay, it is going to tell you that you are not. You want what in Google Sheet tools that it is used to reformat your data. It is used to clean up your sheets. It is used to find and replace or merge sheets, or it also removes duplicates. These all are the features in the power tools. It is showing the working status now. This power tool has been added to your sheet. When you're going to start it, here it is the power tool, in which the tools are to remove, to clear, to text, to convert, to formula, split, and you're having data. That data is used to remove duplicates. It is used to merge sheets. It is used to shuffle or generate data at random. So these are the features of the power tools add-on, which can be used to your sheet to clear the content or to clear the selected data. You can also format your text here, like if you select your data in the given sheet. If you're going to capitalize each word, it will be going to convert you the first alphabet of every word. So they are the various way in which this add-on be used. The next add-on that we use is the table styles. This add-on is used to style your tables. It applies a very uniform style to your table in one click. There is also some of the templates it provides, and you can also customize your templates in this add-on. One of the more add-on is the awesome table. What does it do? This awesome table add-on is going to sort and filter data in a spreadsheet. You can also customize the view, choosing the number of rows and columns and setting other views options. Then you can also share your awesome table design, or you can use it to sort through and filter data with drop downs and dynamic sliders. One of the more add-on is add rows and columns. When you're going to use it, it adds an extra space to a sheet. This one. It adds a different space to the sheet to adding any row or to add any column. Whenever you're going to add anything to your spreadsheet, all the other rows are shifted to left or bottom to upper or right. But when you are going to use this add-on for adding a row or column, there is no need to shift any row. It will add the extra space to your spreadsheet for inserting any new row. We are having another add-on, that is crop sheet. If you want your spreadsheet to show only the data you need, then you're having the add-on here, that is crop sheet. It is the simplest way to clean it up. We just have to let's get it. What you have to do is you just go to the add-ons. It is going to provide you the crop sheet. You're having the option here, crop to data now. Look, the sheet has been cropped to the data only. You can also add rows if you want to add. Now 1000 rows are added to it. So it is the very easiest way for selecting only data and to crop your sheet. We are having one another add-on, that is the remove blank rows. This add-on is to clean up spreadsheet whenever you are having any of the blank blank lines or blank columns or blank rows into your spreadsheet. It's gonna remove it. One of the more add-on is insert and delete cells. It is to add blank cells instead of full rows and columns. Sometimes you just need to shift some data down your spreadsheet without adding full new rows and columns. Insert and delete cells can do just that, adding cells below or the right of your existing selection. Or it is also used to clean up in the same way, removing that number of cells up to the left or right, whatever your selection is. So these were the basic tools that is used for formatting the text. Thank you.